I started out as a ramp agent, and April this year I progressed up to a supervisor. And the role entails managing the turnaround of an aircraft with respect to baggage. On average, we handle approximately 5-6 aircraft a day. We remove the bags from the inbound flight, and then we load the bags for the outbound flight, and all while maintaining a high level of safety. Working in an airport, it's a fast-paced environment. You do need to be thinking on your feet quite a lot, but it's very rewarding because you get to develop your communication skills and your teamwork collaboration, and it's exciting because every day brings a new adventure. A memorable experience for me at Menzies was where I was turning around an aircraft and a flight actually pulled up next door. Its team was slightly delayed from another aircraft, so I took it upon myself to delegate my team to begin the offload process of that flight to maximise efficiency and reduce the impact for those passengers. I like how Menzies have brought me out of my shell, and they've allowed me to enhance my managerial skills. My ultimate goal in the aviation industry is to become an airline pilot. The exposure it's given me to operational procedures at the airport is invaluable to me, and Menzies have given me an excellent platform in order to enhance my career further.